Alright people, what is cracking? We're already starting this next vlog. Here to buy some paint because I want to paint at least the hood and front bumper of the Civic because I'm not liking the look. And I have my homeboy David bullshitting over there. Pay attention to me. As for paint, I'm still deciding on what color to use. I'm trying to think if I should go with like a gloss black or like a flat black color and then clear coat it. I need to wait on the guy to open this shit. Alright guys, so we left Pep Boys, we're in Harbor Freight, we're looking for a sander so that way we could sand the hood and the bumper because I am not liking the way how it looks right now. Harbor Freight got some good deals. I think I'm gonna get this one. Looks pretty good. It's gonna do the job. I'm not trying to do anything crazy. Dude, stop fucking around. fucking look like someone off Darth Vader's team. Alright, people! I'm gonna do this shit. Guys, I'm gonna give you a quick before of the hood. And like stuff like that are never coming out. I'm just tired of how it looks, and these are kind of like recent spots that have been showing up. And the bumper of course has been chipping, but we'll see if we'll get to that today. There's it before. Got the hood and everything off. David's over there connecting the sander. Get to work. This thing looks horrible. Not working. That vibration though. Damn. How many levels do they have?
6.
I don't even know. Okay, so I think I'm good. Everything's like hella smooth. I sanded out all the little holes that were building up. I'm not trying to do a perfect job. I just want the hood to look nice for now until I do the real paint job. But this sander worked pretty fucking good. It's hella strong. Can't feel my hands. I can't feel my hands. The fuck?
Oh, that vibrating on.
Yeah, yeah.
That's how I am when I use them.
Yeah, I definitely want to do the bumper because that's like the main thing that is chipping a lot on this car. But right now we definitely need to get food. It's pretty hot out. I'm starting to feel lightheaded, but I'll see you guys in a bit. We're gonna finish the rest of this at David's house because the food places are over there. See you guys in a bit. We got that grub. Yeah, quesadilla. Bro. Just so fucking good.
I wish this was a big veiny penis in my throat.
Bro, this is life right here. Okay,
See you guys back at the house.
and we are back at the homie's house. David's chilling. He ain't helping me. He don't care about me.
I don't like black people.
But fuck you. All right.
Background technical difficulties.
All right, guys. I took off the bumper so I could sand it a lot better. The hood's sitting in the shade. I'll paint it later, but right now I gotta fix all of this, and while I'm at it I might just paint the lip, but I'm not gonna sand it because I'm going to paint the whole car in general later. But I just want the front end to look a lot better than what it looks now, so let's get to it. I'm done sanding the bumper. Came out pretty good. Came out like hella smooth. You know, it's like plastic, so I'm not really too worried about it being perfect. I just want it to be smooth enough for when I paint it. I'm gonna have David move Panda across the street, and I can bring the hood back over here, paint the hood of the car, and yeah, that's me right there. I do need to get an intake. I want an intercooler right there. There's some shit I need to get. Don't fuck up my shit. Alright guys, so I got 3 cans of the black. I got some clear coat and then some metal primer so I don't get any rust. So this is all I have. Yeah, that looks sexy. Woo. Come on, Luke. And that car looks clean. Dirty as shit though. After I put the black paint, I will put the clear coat and then do the same for the hood. I'll put the hood, I'll put the primer, the black paint, then the clear coat. Once it all cures, maybe later on, I'll grab some wet sand, sand it so it could be even more smoother, no orange peel on the paint. And then I would, what are you laughing at? Hopefully get some wet sand later on today. After it's all painted and when it's drying, I'll probably go take off and get some wet sand. That will kill the orange peel, make it smoother, and probably hit it with one more coat of clear coat. So right now I'm gonna clean this bumper and clean off the hood, and then we're gonna get started on the paint. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, here's the bumper and the lip together. It does not have clear coat on it yet, but the lip came out good. It needs one more coat, and so does the bumper. And as far as the hood, you have to go behind it. I painted most of the spots that had all the metal showing, so I just did nothing perfect, you know. I still gotta like sand it a little bit more. As far as the front, it's all smooth as it can be. So I still need probably like 3 more cans for the hood and 1 more can for the bumper and lip, because the lip I just put it up together right now and it's scratched. It definitely scratched the bumper. The lip actually is not too bad at all. For now, I'm gonna give it a break. I'm gonna probably go pick up the cans and finish this tomorrow, because I still got a lot of work to do on the hood. Call it in for today, finish tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. And we are back. I parked Panda across the street. I didn't want to get any overspray on the cars. I was wet sanding all last night. This hood is super smooth, or smooth for what it is. As far as every other part, set everything over here, and I already hit the bumper and the lip with a clear coat, and this one's still drying. I just put it on probably like 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna wait a little bit. There's a nice little shine. I'm gonna put another coat. This one, I still need 1 more coat of clear coat, because you can see that I missed some spots. So I don't want to like put a whole bunch of clear coat on it and then it runs. So I'm doing it lightly. I'm probably gonna do like 2 or 3 more coats of clear coat on this. And yeah, I got this top part pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I know it still looks like it's lumpy, but it's not. It actually is really smooth. But I really don't care, because the car will be painted again later. But that's if you guys look close. But like from here, you definitely can't tell about stuff like that. You know, it's plastic, it's not metal. So the wet sanding really helped to make it smooth. And as for this part, this is the driver's side skirt. I always wanted to paint it that as well, because it was always not painted when I got it from the junkyard. So I decided to touch it up. And so far that's coming along, because it's also matching with the lip. So I'm gonna probably hit this 1 more coat of black and then clear coat it when that dries, and then wet sand everything after the clear coat is on. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like this is the good light, but this side of Panda, let me go this way. You can see like it was peeling and I sanded, and it's like it's just still peeling. These lines inside, it cracked probably after the day or like that week I first installed these. I don't know how that crack happened, but that doesn't bother me. You don't see it unless you're like super close. But it was peeling just now, and I was like, you know what, let me wet sand this. I don't want to do the whole entire light. It'll be my first time doing this, but I will go ahead and, you know, get all this stuff a lot smoother and see how well it turns out. Okay, got it sanded all to one piece. Like these sections all one piece, so it should be easier to clear coat. See, when it glows like that, that means those pieces right there, let's see, get it to focus. That means the pieces right there will start to peel off. So like, I'm gonna sand that down more to where it's like smooth like the rest of it right here, and then put the clear coat on. So far, doesn't look bad. Okay, I put the clear coat on. You could probably see in the camera it's doing like an orange peel thing. We'll wait for that to dry, wet sand it some more and make it more smoother. Guys, and just like that, that light looks hella new. You can't even tell that I sprayed it with clear coat. It's not really doing the orange peel thing anymore, but it's definitely not peeling. Look, dried almost instantly, super smooth. Done. Look who decided to wake up and come help your boy out. I don't like you.
I don't like you because you're dark skinned.
This fool right here. You see this shit? Evil ass. Go back to sleep. David helped me move the hood over here. I wet sanded it for hours yesterday. Super smooth all over. So I am going to use the last of this gloss black, and I've got 2 more cans over there of gloss black. Actually this paint works better than the gloss black I had from earlier, so I'm gonna stick with using these. I used it on the lip and the bumper, and they came out hella good. Have it like a solid color, because like this thing comes with, basically it's like 2 cans inside of one, and that's why I like this, because I'm still running off this 1 can did my lip and bumper, and it still has like probably like, it feels like it's that much left in there. So I made a good choice on using this, and I got an extra one just in case. So I'm gonna use this one on the hood, and if this one runs out, I still have a brand new one, and I have 2 of the clear coat. So that means I have 4 in total, but that'll be more than enough to finish this hood. So what I'm going to do is just wipe it off one last time, make sure no dust is on it, and then I'll get started. As I put that first coat on there, well, this is kind of like a first coat and half of another coat. Because of the gloss black, it was only like a half can, so I used that half can around all the edges, all the way around. And because I knew it was going to run out, so I was like, let me get the edges first, and then I decided to get like the hard parts first, so that way it gets fully covered when I start using the next can. And then that can actually ran out, and then I did just half a coat on top, so you're gonna wait like 10 minutes for this to dry, and then I'll continue and start the next coat that needs to be done. But so far coming along pretty good. Let me show you guys the lip and bumper. The lip came out on point, super glossy, super smooth. Same thing with the bumper. You can definitely see it in the sun now. So I'm really happy with this. Really happy.
Yeah.
up, people? I'm here at work, but before I start, I just want to show you guys the front end all assembled, all complete. Check this out right here. Car came out hella smooth. I'm really excited. I really like how I did this lip. I don't know what the hell got into me, but that lip came out fucking dope. As far as the bumper, there's no more chipping anymore, and the hood is smooth. I know you can probably see the lines of the clear coat, but I'm getting a new hood anyway, and you know what, this is temporary, but for now, like, the look of the car looks hell of clean. I'm just happy it has this nice clean look, like looks like a brand new bumper. But this is a temporary fix, you know. I just don't want it to look all crusty. And look how clean that looks. I'm really happy about that. That looks hella cool. Alright guys, if you guys like what I did, I'd like to say thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you guys like what I did and want to see more things like this and more detailed, just comment down below. But I'm gonna get going. You guys have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.